Stuck trying to change your Discord email? Learn the exact steps to swap it in under 2 minutes. First, access your settings and verify your old email. Then, enter your new email and password and confirm the change. Open Discord. Then click the User Settings gear icon in the bottom left corner. Now, head over to the Account tab from the menu on the left. You'll see an Email section. Click the Edit button on the right. To verify your current email, click Send Verification Code. Once you receive it, type the code into the field. Then click Next to proceed. Discord will ask why you're changing your email. Select an option. Go ahead and click Continue. Now type in the new email address you want to use. Then enter your current Discord password to confirm the change. Click Done to submit. Complete any human verification prompts, like a CAPTCHA, if they appear. Check your new email and follow the verification instructions to confirm. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.